Alright, alright, alright. Alam kong bago nyo na-click tong video na to ay napanood nyo na yung freestyle na naganap. Ako wala pa akong idea, pero dahil sa mga comments ng ibang mga master natin, may mga sinabi sila na may mga dinis sa bagong freestyle ni Master Easy Meal, kaya nabaliw na naman yung madami, no? So this is really hot topic right now, no, sa mga kaganapan ngayon. At alam kong is ikaw, alam mong may nasunog kung ano man kung sino man yung mga dinis doon, no? Shoutout pala sa mga master, ha, sa mga master na nagko-comment, sa palaging sumusubaybay, o sa mga bagong mga master natin, welcome sa inyo. Shoutout ng malaki pala kay Master Elena. Ma'am, grabe naman yung donations natin dyan. Maraming salamat. That really helps the channel a lot. Shoutout Ma'am Elena, napakalupit mo. So this is Easy Meal Freestyle kay Bootleg Kev, no? So wala na tayong hinihintay, wala nang patumpik-tumpik pa. Umpisa na natin to, Master, ha? Alright, let's go.
Life has changed. Alright, we're gonna have him rap. Because if you get signed by Eminem, you gotta come and rap. Alright, let's go.
Legit.
Yeah. Man, they be tripping. But I bet they also kind of thinking like, if y'all been thinking how I've been feeling lately, here's the answer. I don't know too. Cause in the light of all my blessings, I think I'm causing a banter and end up getting hated by you. You've been a pussy ever since you were born, saying that I wasn't snapping in the verse of my song. No wonder your lights got put out, but you belong on the throne. You said what you said, now I'm really on whatever you want. I could go against you and
What the F, bro? He's throwing shots at everybody. You. Lahat ng haters, pre. Kita mo yung mga apoy sa mga mata niya, men. Kung gaano katindi yung apoy na yun. Hindi mo dapat gisingin tong nakatagong dragon dito, pre. Men, ramdam na ramdam mo yung conviction niya dun, pre. You. Putek, man. Let's go.
been thinking how I've been feeling lately, here's the answer. I don't know too. Cause in the light of all my blessings, I think I'm causing a banter and end up getting hated by you. You've been a pussy ever since you were born, saying that I wasn't
snapping. Ang lupit ng transition sa you've been a pussy since you've been born, no? Ngayon ko lang nalaman, pre, na yung mga hater pala, yung mga hater ni Easy Meal, nung pinanganak sila, hindi sila taong lumabas. Hindi sila tao. Pussy. Lumabas silang pussy, pre. Literal, yung ganon. What God? Let's go. Balik natin yung pre.
Been thinking how I've been feeling lately, here's the answer. I don't know too. Cause in the light of all my blessings, I think I'm causing a banter and end up getting hated by you. You've been a pussy ever since you were born, saying that I wasn't snapping in the verse of my song. No wonder your lights got put out, but you belong on the throne. You said what you said, now I'm...
No wonder your lights got out. Wait lang. Putang ina, napupuling ako sa mga bars. Tang ina, nasa loob ng bahay, mapupuling pa ako dahil lang sa bars ni Master Easy Meal. Ano ba yung Battle of the YouTubers ba yun? Basta naalala ko, si Stevie Knight, sino ba yung nagpabagsak sa kanya? Parang butaw yun na YouTuber man eh. O may nakita akong mga sa TikTok, yung parang wala siyang silbi mag-box yung kalaban ni Stevie Knight, tapos nag-train siya, tapos nag-boxing sila ni Stevie Knight. Si Stevie Knight kasi, pre, alam ko na ikaw, Master, nanonood ka, alam mong kilala mo yun, pero kung hindi mo siya kilala, isa siyang YouTube reactor. Dati nakikita ko na din yung mga niyan, kasi legit knows legit, pre, ha? Malalaman yung hindi ako legit kung hindi ko kilala yung mga yan. Kasi kung totoong naka-follow ka kay Eminem, ha, kilala mo dapat si No Life Shock, si Stevie Knight, sino pa ba yung mga reactors ni ni Eminem, si Cliff Beats ba yun? Something ganun yung pangalan niya. Mga ganun yung mga reactors, kasi syempre papanoorin mo kung gusto mo yung craft ng taong ina-idolize mo, kagaya ni Eminem. Pinapanood ko yan. Pati si Stevie Knight pre, napapanood ko yan. Meron pa si Knox Hill. Yun ang pinaka the best na YouTube reactor at grabe yun mag-breakdown ng bar si Knox Hill. He's my favorite of them all. Si No Life Shock naman yung favorite ko sa pag-react sa mga kanta ni Eminem na talagang nababalo si No Life Shock. Pero kung sa mga bars, ang talagang mapagkakatiwalaan ko and I respect the most is Knox Hill, kasi he appreciates real greatness, real artistry, real writing. Si Stevie Knight medyo pa siya minsan medyo may pagka-negative Eto na nga, malamang isa sa mga reaction videos niya ang nagpainit kay Master Easy Mill. Wrong move ka dito pare, Stevie Knight. That's wrong, brother. That is wrong, brother. Man, wrong move. Easy Mill pre, ingat ka pare. 22 double and O, my guy. Man, so ang layo ng narating nung sinabi ko, pero alam nyong may silbi yun lahat kung alam nyo yung sinasabi ko. So yung bars ni Easy Mill doon, no wonder ni knockout ka, kasi yung mga pinagsasabi mo sa akin, tingnan mo, lights out pare. Butaw pa naka-knockout sa'yo pre, Stevie Knight. Wow. Excuse me?
But I bet they also kind of thinking like, if y'all been thinking how I've been feeling lately, here's the answer. I don't know too. Cause in the light of all my blessings, I think I'm causing a banter and end up getting hated by you. You've been a pussy ever since you were born, saying that I wasn't snapping in the verse of my song. No wonder your lights got put out, but you belong on the throne. You said what you said, now I'm really on whatever you want. I could go against you and little buddy who done got your ass folded. Send both addies on my shadow clone. The potato on the stick is how I got you both scoped in. Hoes are headaches, yeah, I'ma let the owner know. Shit, oh shit, now they think I'm bogus. 2200 hot, tell them what the code is. I'll never stop the way I'm selling off these
double meanings, double entendres, cadence, flow. The guts is there. Yung tapang andito pre, everything is here. Easy is on the money right here, brother. Mukha sa mukha pre, sinasabi niya sa kanya to lahat. Dalawa pa daw sila nung bumugbog sa kanya. Kahit dalawa pa kayo nang bumugbog sa'yo, miss. Excuse me, what the fuck is happening with my throat, brother? But let's go.
Potato on the stick is how I got you both scoped in. Hoes are headaches, yeah, I'ma let the owner know. Shit, oh shit, now they think I'm bogus. 2200 hot, tell them what the code is. I'll never stop the way I'm.
Sinasabi niya dito 2200, and I'll tell you what the code is. Double meaning pre, napakabigat.
Selling off these flow blicks, honey badger, I just is how I got you both scoped in. Hoes are headaches, yeah, I'ma let the owner know. Shit, oh shit, now they think I'm bogus. 2200 hot, tell them what the code is. I'll never stop the way I'm selling off these flow blicks. Honey badger, I just belly all you cobras. Little snaky teddy bears, flexing plagiarism. Keep making money off my name, bitch, you're very welcome, Feel my reaction, I'm nuclear, the way I hit them up. Earnest critics on street raps are very subtle, It's why I'd rather go forward with the lyrics. Mekaniko magsulat, mga bobo lang pinipihit. Kagaguhan kalaswaan.
Narinig nyo ba yung transition ng Tagalog, English sa Tagalog? Hindi ko nga halos napansin, pre. Ganon. Wait. I get to say this. I have to say this, bro. First of all, aside from those English fucking bars, alam mo namang hindi ko yan first language, so hindi ko yan matatranslate sa'yo, para sa'yo kaibigan, hindi ko yan matatranslate lahat sa'yo mga bars ng English, pre, kasi that is not my first language and I have not been in any closer to that USA. Wala akong ganyan, pre. Pero I have to tell you about the technicalities here, bro. Tangina, kadiri ang puta. Excuse me. Medyo yung lalamunan ko ngayon, pre, there's something here. Hindi ko alam kung ano, pero alam mo na yun, no? So, sinasabi ko is, kung maririnig mo yung boses ni Easy Mill dito, pre, it's perfect. Halos, tingnan mo itsura niya nagra-rap. Effortless siya mag-rap, first of all. Yung boses niya is 100% buo, parang recorded sa studio. His voice is just like in the recording. Just as it is. Diba? Wala kang nakitang nagkamali siya dito o pumiyok or anything like that. Wala. Kinakanta niya, ang hirap ng mga flow switches and shit. Pero it's been perfect. Walang kahit ano. Isali mo na yung bars, technicalities, wordplay. Everything is there. So what are you crying about? Huh? What are you crying about? What else do you want? Alam ko yung mga trip nyo, gusto nyo kasi yung mga yung mga sabay sa uso, yung mga dancey shit. Doon kayo sa mga punyaterang mga trip nyo, mga music na yung mga bullshit kasi kayo kaya di nyo trip tong gantong lyricism kaya hindi nyo na-appreciate. That's how simple it is, my guy. Let's go. Eto bars, lamunin mo pre.
Welcome, feel my reaction, I'm nuclear, the way I hit 'em up. Earnest critics on street raps and very subtle, It's why I'd rather go forward with the lyrics. Mekaniko magsulat, mga bobo lang pinipihit. Kagaguhan, kalaswaan, gusto nila ipilit. Kaya manigas kayo, si Tisoy na ang umiinit sa ngayon. Anak araw.
Si Tisoy na ang umiinit, what the fuck, man. Eto na nga sabi niya, kagaguhan, kalaswaan. Yun ang ina-upload ng mga punyaterang ngayon talaga. Madami, man. Sobrang toxic ang hip-hop ngayon. Ano yung gusto nyo? Payabangan? Yun? Kalaswaan? Kagaguhan? Yan ang sinasabi ni Easy Mills. O sige, tema nyo yan. Diba? Diyan kayo masaya. Yan ang gusto nyo, diba? Itong mga haters na to, yan talaga yung mga gusto nila. Diyan sila bumibilib. My chains. Cold. Yeah. My mansion. I have 300 bitches. Who the fuck cares, my guy? Kaya nga kayo durog kay Eminem, kaya nga kayo tagapunas ng sapatos ni Eminem kasi hindi siya naging ganyan. He never brags about this shit. Nagbabrag man siya pero rebat lang yun sa mga nagbabrag sa kanya. Pero yung karamihan sa mga rappers ngayon pre, puro lang kaputang inahan yung mga pinagsasabi. Puro lang mga, alam mo yun, gets mo na yun pre kung mga mumble shit yung tawag doon.
Pangalan ko pa nun may pananaw na mas malalim sa balon. Magsulat, mga bobo lang pinipihit. Kagaguhan.
And we don't give a fuck. Ito para sa inyo lahat. We don't give a fuck if you don't understand Filipino. Total, di lahat pero most of them medyo mababa tingin sa amin kasi Pinoy kami. Kasi di nyo maintindihan yung lingwahe namin. We can talk and understand your language 100%. And you cannot even understand a single word or a single paragraph of Filipino language. Now, who's the bitch? You are. You is, my guy. Let's go.
Gusto nila ipilit kaya manigas.
Saka huwag kayong umiyak para lang yun sa mga walang silbing haters, pre. Let's clear that shit up. Let's go.
Si Tisoy na ang umiinit sa ngayon. Anak araw ngalan ko pa nun may pananaw na mas malalim sa balon. Dala ko lang tabla na merong liha na may 4 na gulong. Swerte kong makauwi kang butas lang yung pantalon. Yeah, oh no, here we go. I'm about to body another one that they'll say I won't. We got some Molly and tree to consume up in the boat. Tricking hoes, you wildin' up in the lobby getting dope. Ooh, I got all the flows to make the people wanna move. Big Papa, kiss the ring before you leave the room. Zaza on the push, I'm getting zooted, I like to. Y'all faking the funk, so I'ma just keep on staying true to myself and to the game that I had swore to claim. I followed all the legends and they didn't raise no lane. To me it's the trick, hoes get money, fuck the fame. Y'all let it get to your head, but I just stay the same.
Woo! Okay. Easy Mill.
What the fuck just happened? Wow, so I guess I don't have to talk anymore. Sa tingin ko that's more than enough para isampal sa mga hindi naniniwala. So, man, fuck man, grabing sampal yun sa mga haters pre. Man, kinikilabutan ako pre. This is what I've been waiting for. What I've been waiting for para maramdaman ng mga hindi naniwala, mga nag-doubt. Man, I'm so overwhelmed. Kaya medyo lutang ako ngayon. Can you feel me? Can you feel this shit, my guy? Wow, man. Sarap talaga vacuumin ng mga haters, pre. Sobrang saya ko na eto na nga, dapat yan sa inyo, ha?
Bodied it. Salute, brother. Salute. Hey, appreciate you guys watching this freestyle. We got another one coming.
The fuck? Ang galing mo, Master. Hayop ka. Paretang ang lupit nito. Yeah. Nakangiti tayong dalawa ngayon kasi nadurog yung mga punyeta. Okay.